What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today. And what I want to bring you is basically like 5 or 6 of the things that I've done right in this market over the past 5 years and things that I've done wrong. And the reason why I want to put this out there is so that you can learn from these things that I've experienced, and maybe it can save you some money or make you some money down the line here. And that's basically what I want to do. This is a nice little area at the edge of my property. I like to come down here and just think, pray, especially, you know, when the market's crazy. It's nice just to get away from the computer and just kind of sit out in the forest. So I wanted to bring you guys along. You'll probably hear the birds and stuff, which is always nice, just helps calm me down. But hopefully you guys get something from this video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll dig into this. So first of all, guys, what I want to talk about was don't fight the trends. It's always important to identify the trend on the weekly time frame, then the daily, then the 4-hour, and I like to do entries on the 1-hour time frame. But it's always important to pay attention to that macro or intermediate term trend so you're not fighting it. You always want to trade with the trend. That's what's most important. And even if we're in a downtrend and you don't want to trade short, then that's a time to stay out of the market and wait till you see that downtrend break and we start setting higher lows. It's so important to pay attention to higher lows and uptrends and lower highs and downtrends. That's what you're going to be paying attention to. And once you see those break on heavy volume, you try to get involved with that trend and ride it as long as possible until you see the next break. So trend line breaks are going to be really important. I use trend line breaks a lot because that's going to show market structure when it breaks. And I want to take advantage of the trend. So that's number one, is really just trading with the trend. Don't fight the trend. Number two, I always put stop losses in once I'm in profit. So that's something that's really important because in this market, we can see those real quick pumps, and then sometimes we'll give back 30 or 40%. What I like to do is just trail a stop loss up behind it, lock in that profit. If I get stopped out, so what? I look for the next great opportunity and keep it moving. So I'm not ever just sitting around with my capital going down and I'm not even able to make another opportunity or another trade. So I'll just let the market stop me out. If the structure breaks, take your profit, move it on to the next one. So that's number two. Number three, what I like to do, and what I've actually been the most successful on, my best trades ever have been when we've had those massive sell-offs, and it's almost been on the same day. I will buy that fear at the very bottom, and a lot of the times it'll wick back up and you'll make like 15, 20, sometimes even 25%. And those have been some of my best trades, or like reaction trades where we'll have a big dump. I'll buy the fear, we'll get a bounce up. If it doesn't look good, it's on low volume, I'll sell it. If it's on good volume, I'll continue to ride it to the upside. And that's been some of my biggest profits, has been buying that fear. Then you also want to sell the greed. So when you see those really large candles to the upside at the end on extremely heavy volume, a lot of the times that's going to be a climax top. It's going to mark the top. So you always want to pay attention to those as well. They can really tell you a lot, but I like to sell into that greed. If I don't nail the top, so what? It doesn't matter. I got the meat of the move, and that's all I'm looking for. Okay, so we're buying the fear, selling the greed. Next one, I like to ladder in and out of positions. So before, when I first started, I say I wanted to enter a Bitcoin position, I had $1,000, whatever, I would enter all 1,000. Now what I like to do is ladder in and then ladder out of those positions. And that's really helpful to get a nice average price, and then you're able to sell out into that strength. The next one, most coins that people say, hey, I'm going to hodl this, or the new ones that are coming out, most coins aren't going to even make it through to the next market cycle. Some, like 90% of the coins, just fail, guys. And you know, I'm a bag holder in some things from 2017, and they just really haven't done anything, and they were hyped coins before. So I really like to trade the big names: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, coins that are moving and that have been around for a long time. Those are the ones that I want to trade, but I will not hodl through bear markets. And that's just me. I'm going to be able to trade the bear market, and I'm planning for it when it does come. But like I've said, I want to squeeze as much as I can out of this bull market while we can. That's very important for us. And also, guys, just always to keep your emotions in check. Exercise will really help you out. I exercise probably 4 to 5 days a week. Like I said, my business is a personal trainer and specialist in fitness nutrition, and I really like to help people. But I think trading and investing and exercising and all that goes hand in hand. It'll really make you feel a lot better, make you have better decisions in the market. You know, you just never want to FOMO. You don't want to chase anything in this market. There's always going to be more opportunities, and the crypto market will be here tomorrow. So these are just some things that can maybe save you some time, save you some money. Just think about them, guys. If you get something from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God bless you all. Take care.